Hey guys, it's Josh and Jen Brown again. We have been, since our last beer chugging video, we thought we would do one with a little bit warmer beer today. The ones that we drank the other day were a little bit colder, so they left a little tingle, and we're going to try to work down and get our time under 9 seconds today. Josh got pretty close last time with 9.08.
And what Jen was in 9 seconds too. She was, if I remember correctly, it was 9.63. But we were trying the technique that we found online of trying to open your throat and sort of pour it down, but the cold beers leave a little bit of a tingle. So I just cracked this one, which you heard, and trying to pour it so that it gets less fizzy, so we're not sitting here waiting on the fizz to go down to get the chug in. But
a friend of ours, David, he had commented and said that just for fun he did a beer chug to see how fast he could do one, because he's a pretty fast chugger, and he got it down to 6.8 seconds. So
way to go, David.
Yeah,
That's
kudos
impressive.
to you, dude.
We're not there
We're
yet.
working on it. We are a work in progress on this. Then we got another feedback from someone, saying they enjoyed the video, and to keep the burping and beer chugging videos coming, so that's what we're doing. We shall not disappoint.
So, here we are, beer poured, trying the technique.
And we're
Goal
doing
is under
PBR. Sorry,
9
we're
seconds.
still learning the camera. PBR. Okay, so got the timer.
timer set to 0.
As soon as he puts
Jen
it
is
to his
operating.
mouth, then I'll go.
Cheers.
.14. I promise I'm trying to learn this camera.
Oh, so
That was good.
a little bit of spillage, but
Yeah, it's a little hard because they say to try to get as much as your mouth around the edge of the glass as you can, which is actually kind of tough because it goes up against your face as you're trying to drink it. So I'm
Yeah.
pouring right now. That's what I'm doing.
and timing is what we've heard is the key. That you have to swallow like a huge big swallow the first time it hits your throat. But anyway,
Wait a second.
warm beer apparently, I think that helped because it did not tingle my tongue and throat.
Which is good because he's
So-
sensitive to that stuff. More so
I may
than
have
I
something
am.
here good. Hold on.
That was demonic.
So,
Okay, I'm ready.
alrighty, here we go. Timer going. .86.
Oh gosh.
But, and that was a demon burp.
Oi.
A double.
Oi.
Triple.
Yep. I did have some spillage. Sorry, guys. And we got to represent our rules.
Doubles and triples on burps, by the way. It sort of has to be, it can't be like,
I'm going to go ahead and pour. We're both going to go ahead and pour.
well, I have a thought.
Okay.
I want you to wait. I want you to use, the glass she used had a bigger lip, which I think there's spillage involved.
Yeah, it goes everywhere.
So if you tilt it back more with that great big lip, like you're supposed to, then it's just going to go all over your face.
Okay, so wait.
So wait,
I might get your cooties.
you got them by now.
While he's pouring, I wanted to say that we went to the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, Tennessee last night. We saw the Turnpike Troubadours
And Cordovas.
and the Cordovas, and they were excellent. You guys need to check out both bands, and if they're out in your area, you need to see them. And if you're in the Knoxville area, go to the Mill and Mine. It is a great venue. It's an awesome place. If you're short, it is standing room only, just so you know. So try to
We
get
are
there
short.
early. I'm 5'3", he's 5'7", so try to get there early so you don't see the back of people's heads
Ribbit.
or their backs all night. Apparently, there's some sort of steroids in the foods and stuff that they're giving kids today because even the women were like 6 feet tall. It was crazy.
Okay. So
We're back at 0.
beer just poured. Trying this one more time now. What was I? 8.14 or something like
Yes.
that. So that's almost a 3-second overall improvement from when we first started these chugging videos.
Yeah.
What, a week or 2 weeks ago?
Yeah. Yep.
So still
A work in progress.
but the technique that
Still-
the techniques that we've learned online, it's the usual. Hold it down, remember. No.
Okay.
Anyway. So, take 2.
All right. .82. But it's hard when you've had one because it does fill you up,
Yeah.
especially when you're chugging. So I'm pouring now.
I mistimed the initial swallow, and that slowed it down because it sloshed up on my face. So I've
There's
got
some-
a mustache full of beard now, too.
There's something about my third swallow that gets me every time.
At 8.82, and I'm going to let this thing, I got to burp it, baby. Working on. But I'm ready for you whenever you are.
Oh, okay.
I'll try not to interrupt your chug.
Okay, I got a little burp. So,
Get it out.
well, I don't think it's ready yet.
Oh,
Oi.
I was wrong.
that was good.
Ribbit.
I was holding that in for you.
Oi.
But you weren't bringing it down that time.
I was
That one
not.
was 11.04.
I had a rough start on that one, too. Man, I've sucked tonight.
It took you a while to get it. No, your first one was 8 something, wasn't it? We may have to review the video.
Oi.
Yeah, I don't know what my deal was.
But
I fudged it.
it was like you didn't get to that point where you're really throwing it back.
I wasn't. And then I finally, like, I don't know if you saw me kind of adjust and put my face more around it.
Ribbit.
I mean, even that 11 on take 3 of it,
Oi.
11.04 is a disappointing time. But not that long ago,
That was a good time.
that would have been a good one. So
Hand me one more.
Ribbit.
Or, seriously, it is 12:52. Sorry, I'm still learning this thing. You can't see it. Just here. It is 12:52 a.m. You still can't see that either. Hell, I'm trying, people. You can't see it, but whatever.
That's funny.
It is.
You like held your arm as far from the camera as you could get it.
It's throwing me off or backwards. So, it's 12:52 a.m.
It's
It has been a long day.
it's weird. If you use a camcorder, if you guys do videos and stuff like that, where you do blogs or whatever, vlogs where you film yourself, you may be aware of the fact that
Everything's
it's
backwards.
in a mirror. So
So I'm really
What's
to
yours?
his left and he's to my right.
Right.
Whereas we're looking, we're flip flops. So it's.
right, so she, instead of putting her watch towards the camera,
I did it way over
she
here.
held it like way out away from the camera. So inside joke to us at the moment, probably because
Apparently
you
we're
all didn't
learning
see
everything.
you didn't see her arm.
And he found it hilarious.
It was funny.
Okay.
Oh,
Got to get my.
Ribbit.
We gotta get
And one
her.
of our neighbors was walking up the street a minute ago, so he's probably wondering what the hell we're doing.
Everybody thinks there's pigs and frogs running around.
We do live in
And demons.
Tennessee. But which? I'm the brown witch. That cracked me up.
Now remember, you gotta
I know.
get that thing going back.
Egg.
9.12.
Egg.
Oh
But
my
the,
God.
The burp.
Oh, I need a moment. God, that is feeling.
Oh, I shouldn't close it up yet. Good. Didn't
Oh
turn
my
on.
gosh. Okay, people, that really fills you up, and I don't think I can drink any more than that.
But that was a high quality burp there, I think.
You're getting 2 for 1 here, because we're doing a beer chugging video, but you're also getting our burps. Ugh.
I liked the way that instead of forcing that burp out for volume, you held on to it for length, but it kept its character.
It's all a part of the actor's life. Keep it in character.
So I appreciated that burp. It was,
If I was going first before it was out.
the quality of it was
We're back
high.
at
It's
0.
not always about volume.
No, it's about quality.
It says as a musician, I appreciate tone.
Oh, and speaking of, he's going to do some guitar videos that we're going to post, so keep an eye out for those as well. And some equipment reviews. Just want to throw that out there.
So
And I got my
Here we go.
zeros.
you ready?
I'm ready. $7.96.
Oh, I barely got in under 8.
But you did get. I'm not drinking another one. I can't do it. I will throw up.
Okay. Well, before we get off here, I may have some. I probably brought some air down with that thing. I got
It's almost like you're about to let go the other end.
to situate it. Well,
That'd be a whole
That'd be
new
a whole new video.
And we have black bean soup for dinner. If you're not familiar with black bean soup, it is black beans, clearly,
it'll move
and
you.
smoked sausage with some honey and hot sauce. It's really good. You need to try it.
Yeah,
And we always put rice with it to make it a little bit more filling.
yeah. But it will get you moving after a little bit.
Well, it does him. But it really does look like...
Okay, that's what I was stalling for. I wanted to get that out before we got off camera here.
Subscribe to our channel. Like us on Facebook, Josh and Jennifer Brown. Follow us on our blog, joshnjenbrown.com. Twitter is at TheBrownsBlogit, DABROWNS, And again, subscribe to our channel. Share your videos. Share your comments.
And do us a favor, if you like this one and you like any of our other ones, also check our other ones out. But share this one for us, and also, give us a comment. We want to hear what you think, and we do really genuinely appreciate it.
Yes, we do. And share with us your burps, your beer chugging, whatever you got. Share with us. Challenge us.
Right? Yeah.
Let's have some
if
fun.
you got a similar channel or you got similar YouTube videos, hit us up. We'll check you out too.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyway.
Peace out.
See? And here's the awkward ending of me hitting the stop button and it not working.
I think the battery's dying, so.